Hello friends, welcome back on the RC channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the strategy for paper number 16 of CMA final examination. But before going to forward, I have one quote for you, and that quote is, "A good beginning makes a good end." So guys, logic behind this quote is that if you have good beginning of your study, then the result in your examination is absolutely good. So your beginning is must be good in order to get the succeed in your life. So guys, if you don't have a plan for your upcoming examination, then your result of that examination will not be in your hand because your preparation is not good. So if you need a result or positive result in of your problems of your examination, then you need a good plan to tackle that problem or tackle that examination. So basically in this video we are going to discuss the author that you should refer for your examination and strategy for the clearing of the paper number 16. So first of all we discuss about the author. CA Vinod Gupta, that is VG, is a very best author for the preparation of your CMA final examination. Believe me guys, I was also follow their book, and if you follow their book you need not require the any coaching. This is the very best point or plus point for your preparation, because I refer that book and I get near about 52 to 53 3 marks into CMA examination, and this mark I will get on self study basis only. This is a very big point. So guys, don't waste time on any classes, just refer the CA Vinod Gupta author and go with that book. And one plus point of that book is that you get the number of question for your practice. Guys, in their books they cover the question asked into CA examination from 1990 to 2090. You get the 29-year data from their books for your problem solution, for your extra practice of the question. And believe me guys, if you solve each and every question from that book, you need not require any scanner, any textbook, any additional classes for your preparation. This is my personal experience. I was refer that book and I get my result within the certain period of time. So it is my humble request to all of you, please go with that book. Yes, I accept there are 5 books of the direct taxation and each book contain the 200 to 300 pages. But guys, that books also contain the previous 30 years examination question paper. That means that textbook contain the previous 60 examination question paper for your reference. And if you do all question from that book, then you need not require any additional study material. This is very big point and big benefit to us. And that study material and their study material are available in very reasonable price, and that price is nearly 1500 to 2000. So this is very important point which book you should refer for your examination, and that book is CA Vinod Gupta sir's book. I hope first confusion is over. Now we focusing on our second part, and that part is strategy for your preparation. So guys, as per my opinion, I was follow the strategy, and that strategy I will share with you in upcoming video. So stay connected with this video. This video really help you in your preparation of direct taxation. And guys, one more thing, if you want to buy the books of CA Vinod Gupta sirs, I provide the link into description box. Please go on that link and give order for your the CA Vinod Gupta sir's study material for your preparation. See friends, firstly you do all international taxation part because it cover near about 30 to 35 marks into your examination. So if you go with international taxation and done all international taxation, then your 30 marks are confirmed into examination. So this is very important point. You should start direct taxation with international taxation. First of all, complete all international taxation, then you give focus on the remaining part. So after completing international taxation, you should go with profit and gain from business and profession, then capital gain, then income from other sources, then deduction is very important point, and that deduction are also cover the deduction that are covered under international taxation. Next, assessment of the various entity, like assessment of individual, HUF, partnership, LLP, company, and many more like association of person. Next, assessment procedure from section number 141 to section 160. So this is assessment part is all theoretical part, and so guys, this part contain the only theoretical content of the syllabus. Now you should also cover the all penalties part of the direct taxation. Then you should be go with minimum alternate tax and alternate minimum tax. That is also very important part for your examination, and you are able to clear the examination in first attempt. So guys, if I miss any part from our syllabus in this list, then you are also cover that part in your list, because this list is a inclusive list. So you also refer the study material for the additional part. All the above parts are very important parts for from exam point of view as well as for practical point of view also. So friends, this is the study plan for the direct taxation, and I hope you get the clear picture of the preparation of the paper number 16. And friends, believe me, if you refer the CA Vinod Gupta sir study material, then you need not require to any additional study material or any additional classes, because I also refer the CA Vinod Gupta sir study material when I was prepared for my CMA final examination. So friends, thank you for the watching this video, and hope this will help you in your preparation. So now it is your duty to share this video with your friends, and also if you have any query, then please comment in comment section, and you may also join with us on Telegram by doing message on the numbers given into description box. And yes friends, never give up, stay focused, stay positive and stay strong. Thank you guys.